Hello everyone, today we will be making this knife sketch using SOLIDWORKS. Let's select the plane, then we will first make the center line for our reference and defining everything. So let's make these two perpendicular center lines. Okay, now done with this. Now we will use the center rectangle to make the base. Okay, done. Let's now generate these two concentric circles. Okay, done. Now this part is done. So now we will make the front end of this of our knife. Okay, extend it, then the curve, then convert sensor. Okay, now we will try to make the teeth. Our main focus of today's video will be to use different features of SolidWorks to generate this teeth easily. Okay, let's go. We will define everything. This is 34 mm away, as you can see, 34 units away. Done. Now 24 diameter and of 36 diameter. As you know, diameter is going to be 2x of the radius. Okay, this part is done. Now make it tangent. Okay, we will make these two circles for our curve of 33 unit radius, that is going to be of 66 diameter. We'll make these two tangent, and these 2 points, this is going to be coincident. Let's select it, enlarge it a bit and select it. Okay, coincident. Okay, done. Now we will define these two circles as 66 mm diameter. Okay, done. Same value for this. Done. Okay, now what we have to do is that we will define this is going to be 6 mm. Okay, done. This part is done. Our left right part is almost perfectly defined now. So let's go with the tip. So this is going to be a 58 mm, and this part is 40 mm from point to point, and this is 10 mm. Now this is done. So now we need to add the fillet here. So let's go to sketch, select fillet, and okay, of 5 mm radius. So let's decrease it to 5. Done. Add this and done. Now we will again go to smart dimensioning and sketch this part out. This is going to be 10 mm, and this point to this point is of 12 as there in the sketch. Okay, and this is 8. Now done. What we will do is that we will remove this two lines, as this will create problem for us. Delete it. Delete it. Okay, this cannot be deleted as it is already defined. Use for the definition. Okay, let's pull it. We will make them horizontal, as you can see. Okay, and let's define it also. The teeth, let's define it. This is going to be 5 mm before making the teeth. Okay, done. Now this part is done. We will add teeth. Okay, done. We will use the pattern to replicate it. First we will add dimension to it. This is going to be of this 78, and there is 13 teeth there. So what we'll do is the 78 by 13. So let's go. 6 it is. So these are 6 units apart. Now what we will do is that we will add two center lines to align the teeth perfectly. First one, and then the second one. for the lower end. Okay, done. Now what we will do is that make them consonant within these two also. Okay, now done. As this has been done, so what we will do is that we will make it symmetric. So let's make symmetric. Now this, as you can see, these two lines are fully defined now, so they have turned black. Now go to linear sketch pattern, and we will use the linear pattern 6 mm. There is 13 teeth, so let's go. We have to replicate these two lines, so there it is. Okay, done. Let's go. Okay, first what we will do is remove all the extra parts, these two circles. Okay, done. Now we have removed it, and okay, we need to define it. Select these two, and what we will do is that make them equal, so they are fully defined now. Okay, as this has been done, now what we will do is that okay, there is some part left, so we will just remove it using sketch. Okay, edit sketch and trim these two parts. Now our sketch is fully ready. Thank you, and let's see you again in the course.